Alright, I need to pick this lock. I actually picked it off the door, but I couldn't get a good camera. Let's see if I can show you guys. Picking a Schlag Leashy. I'll do it in my hand because I have to pick it again anyway. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but 5 is good. 6, can't really tell. 4 is good. 6 is good. I need to be able to hold it. 2 and 1. There you go, that's turned. That's picked. We're gonna rekey it. That doesn't matter. I'm actually gonna take that last one out because the other lock is a 5-pin. So now we got one out. Uh-oh, I took the wrong one out, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I took the wrong one out. Oops. Take this one out. Put this one back in. I have a tweezer I would normally use for this, but it's only one. I may have to use it. We'll see. Might as well. Oh no. Yeah, I had it, but I couldn't push. Uh-oh, now I lost 2 of them because I'm trying to do this on camera. Let's put this one back in. Wait 1 second. That one's good now. What the fuck was that? Okay. Alright. Let's cut a key real fast. Should make it up. Okay, I'm cutting my own key. Pin it to it. Check it real fast with our new key. It should all be flush. There we go. Put this back in now. Turning key comes out. Perfect. They want 2 keys, so I'll cut them a spare. Reinstall these locks. I gotta rekey the other one too. Uh-oh, where's the original key? Why do they look the same? Let's make sure that they're not the same because they look real close. See, that's a 5-pin, so that's why. We'll key this one up. Check the original key, make sure it's different. It is. By 2 of the numbers are off, so that's good. As long as their key doesn't, the old key doesn't work, that's what they want. Have to turn it sideways to put it in because that last chamber is empty. All right, we'll put this back on. Okay. Make sure our spare key works. There we go. Let's go put them on. All right, we're all done here. Lock's back on. And we are out of here. All right, we're gonna reset this lockbox code. The way you do it, pretty simple. You just push this in, move it up to there, put what code you want. Can't show it to you guys, sorry. If you have the code you want, push that back into place. And that's the new code.